Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this, but I am. And like I say, this is a dry run, so I don't have the 1/2" cups underneath this. I'm just gonna put these in. Obviously I've got to do these side ones first. To fit underneath the notch. Good Lord. Pretty sure that one fit right in there too. We'll have to see. Oh, man. Let's see what I'm talking about. These suckers are heavy. Sure that one fit there. Now I've got to take the next notched one and fit it right there. Yes, this is going to take a little bit of time and effort. Ooh. Boy, this is going to be kind of tricky to get this up in there. Got a guy who's going to help me put these in later for good. But today I thought I would just mess around trying to get this in by myself. Easier said than done, man. Because I have to get it up on this 1/2". Come on, baby. I'm gonna get up there. Boy. Oh, good. Good, I got it. Whew. All this just to see if they fit? Yeah. yeah, for that out there, I don't know what else to do. I've gotta get it. This is gonna be tricky. Like breaking your back. Oh wow. Whew. See, because that's on that 1/2 inch. Over there, I'm going to have to leave this little piece under here for the time being. That. So that I can get my next piece in here. And so that it sets right. In fact, I might want to get another 1/2 inch board for that one, just because I don't have that 1/2 inch stuff in here. It needs to set straight so that I can get the next pieces in there, and so that the next piece over here fits nice and tight up to there. If I don't have it at the right angle, then the other tiles might not fit properly. All right, get me another piece of that 1/2 inch plywood that I saved. Now I can put these two big square pieces in. Let's see, here's the other flashings. I drilled out those holes. See there? And then I took my reamer bit and I reamed them out. And that's how I got there. This actual long one that goes, that's my main one. I actually drilled some extra holes in there because most of the water, as we already discussed, most of the water that's going to go out is going to be about from this point over to about here. Those are the main ones right there. And remember how small those holes were before? I just took about an 1/8 inch drill bit and then I graduated it up to 3/16, then 1/4 inch, and I think I went up to a little bit above 1/4 inch until I could get my reamer bit in there. And then I took my reamer bit, and some of these were up too high, and so once I lined everything up, I knew I wanted to get up higher, so I took the reamer bit and kind of reamed it up this direction so that I could get it. The main thing here is that I wanted the bottom of each one of these holes right down flush with the flashing. I didn't want them up any higher. Now see this one here, this one's going along the stairs, and see this, look how high this one is. It's still an eighth, over an eighth, maybe 3/16 higher than the bottom. No water's ever going to get through there. I made sure I got these a little bit lower. See, this one's almost flush, that one's almost flush, and then this end one. See, that one's pretty well flush, right there to the bottom. But that is going to be going at an angle too. So these really, not much water is going to go out of this end or this end over here anyways. I'm not really too concerned about that as much as this one. I still had these, remember this is going to be angled down, so any water that gets there is coming down this way. It'll go out these two holes here. Anything that settles down in the middle is going to go there. And then to the far right, I've got this angled up a little bit high, and it tapers down to about here, and then it's flat. So I'll probably have to, this is where the chuck of my drill got down so low that it hit the bottom, so I'm gonna have to put a little bit more paint on there and stuff. But I'm not ready to install that yet. I just wanted you to see what I ended up doing with that. Those other holes were so small, it was a joke. You know, now these are a little bit, probably too big, but hey, I'd rather have it big than too small.